Hello, we're going to look at Venn diagrams, and you may not have heard these before, but we use them to display groups of data where information may overlap. Don't worry if that doesn't make any sense. We're going to look at some diagrams and see how this works. So a Venn diagram typically looks like this. It's a rectangle, and inside the rectangle you will have at least two circles, and there's an overlap in the circles. So this time we're talking about people with brown hair. So anybody with brown hair is out here. It could also be in here. Anybody with glasses is in this circle. But if you have glasses but not brown hair, you are in this bit. But if you have both things, brown hair and glasses, you're in this bit in the middle. So there are a group of children we're going to look at. Here they are from the Science Club. And we're going to physically put them into the right place. So we'll start on here with this girl. She has brown hair. So, maybe I have to start at the other end. This boy doesn't have brown hair and he doesn't have glasses, so he's completely outside the two loops. This girl has brown hair, so she goes here. She doesn't have glasses, so she can't go in the middle. This boy has ginger hair, so definitely not, neither bit, no glasses. This girl does have glasses, but you can see she doesn't have brown hair. This boy has brown hair, where are we? So he goes in here, but no glasses. This girl, brown hair, but no, sorry, she has black hair. This boy has black hair, brown hair. Got that wrong. He has glasses, but black hair. So he goes in the glasses section. This boy has neither brown hair nor glasses. This boy has brown hair and glasses. So he goes in the middle. And this girl has brown hair. So she goes in the brown hair section. So we can just show the number of people in each category because it would be very tiresome to have to draw pictures every time. It wouldn't be a very useful tool, these Venn diagrams. So in this section here, we have 1, 2, 3 people with brown hair and no glasses. In the middle section where we have both things, brown hair and glasses, we only have one person, so number 1. Here, people with glasses and no brown hair, that's 2 people. And on the outside, we have 4 people. 4 people who neither had brown hair nor glasses. So we'll just mark that and see how we got on. All correct. Okay. So when we take all the drawings away, this is what a normal Venn diagram would look like. 3 here, 3 people here in this group, 1 person in this group, 2 in this group, and 4 in this group. So you wouldn't ever be drawing all those pictures. Those pictures are just there to explain to you what it's all about. So I'm going to have a little look at, so let's look at this blank Venn diagram at the moment. At a school sports day, 200 pupils in Year 7 took part in various events. 63 pupils took part in track events, 33 pupils did both track and field, and 70 did neither. So there's your information as you would get it in the question. Here's your Venn diagram, blank at the moment, and we're going to try and work out what numbers to put in each section. So let's see how we do that. So first of all, T is the event people did track, and that makes sense. So we're going to call this circle T. F is the event that people did field, and there's F is this circle. Fill in the Venn diagram for this data. So first of all, let's have a look again. There are 200 pupils. 63 people took part in track events. 33 people did both. And 70 did neither. So you could just basically go ahead and put the 33 in the middle here. And we'll see how that and work out everything else by subtracting. So start with the overlap. 33 did both. So don't be worrying too much about this little symbol. T intersection F is what that N shape means, but we'll not worry too much about that. So the 33 goes in there. That's the main thing. Next thing we're going to work out is track. 63 all together did track. So the whole T circle has to add up to track. But 33 of those people also did field. So what you're going to do is take away, that's the important bit down here, to start with your 63 that did track, take away the 33, and you're left with 30 who just did track by itself. So this little bit is going to be the number 30. There it is. 70 pupils did neither, and these go outside the circles. So you can just put the 70 straight down, just like we did with 33. These 70 people didn't do either of the two events. But we're going to use that 70 again because we need to work out how many people did field events. There were 200 pupils altogether. So what we can do, so we start with the 200, we take away this 30 people, the 33 people, and the 70 people outside, and that leaves 67 people for the final section who just did field events. And there it is. So in summary, well, we'll not worry about that. Okay, next one we're going to have a little look at is this question. A cafe records how many people take their coffee. And here's your Venn diagram. This section is about people that take milk. This section is about people that take sugar. And obviously there's an overlap because some people will take milk and sugar. So the information that you get is that 80 people take milk, 48 people take sugar, 29 take both, and 39 take neither milk or sugar. So fill in the missing values. So the first thing that you can work out, put in, is the people that take both. So the people that take both is in the middle here, so we'll put 29 in there. Then this one here is good because it's the people that take neither. So it can go straight into 39. So we're going to look at this group of people who take milk. 80 people take milk, okay? So out of those 80 people, 29 of them take both milk and sugar. So in order to work out this section, you take the 80 people and you subtract the 29. So 80 take away 29 is 51. So we're going to put 51 in here. So the various ways to do this other one, you could just take the 48 people and subtract the 29. Or you could take, well, we don't know the total of people, fair enough, we'll have to do it that way. So we'll do 48 people that take the sugar and take away the 29. So 30, what would be 18, 19. That's right. Let's see. All correct. So just have another look at it. 80 people take milk. 51 and 29 makes 80. 48 people take sugar. 29 and 19 make 48. 39 take neither. And the 29 is in the middle. And that's how you do these questions. You take the information that you get and you gradually fill in the little bits of the Venn diagram.